Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of drones, those little buzzing gadgets that let you live out your dreams of being a spy or a wannabe filmmaker. On the left, we have the SYMA drone, and on the right, the DRONEEYE F10 foldable drone. Let's see which of these flying marvels deserves a spot in your tech arsenal. First up, let's talk about that all-important factor, price. The SYMA drone comes in at $99, while the DRONEEYE F10 is a bit friendlier on the wallet at $79. That's a $20 difference, folks. You could buy yourself a couple of pizzas or maybe even a small island. Okay, maybe just the pizzas. Now, on to the cameras, because let's face it, if your drone can't take a decent selfie, what's the point? Both drones boast a 1080p HD camera. SYMA promises stable and clearer views with FPV real-time Wi-Fi transmission. DRONEEYE F10 also delivers smooth FPV within a range of 120 meters. Reviewers have praised the SYMA drone for its excellent camera quality and stable views. However, some reviews for the DRONEEYE F10 mention that its camera quality doesn't quite reach 1080p as advertised. Battery life. Because nobody wants their drone to drop out of the sky like a rock. The SYMA drone offers up to 40 minutes of flight time with 2 powerful batteries. The DRONEEYE F10 doesn't specify its total flight time, but let's just say it's more of a sprinter than a marathon runner. Reviewers note that the SYMA drone's battery life is decent, while the DRONEEYE F10 has impressive battery life but sometimes experiences issues that cause it to drop out of the sky. Ease of use is crucial, especially if you're like me and still struggle with your TV remote. Both drones are beginner-friendly. SYMA offers headless mode, altitude mode, and one-key takeoff, land. The DRONEEYE F10 has one-key start landing, one-key return, and even voice control. Reviewers have found the SYMA drone easy to use with straightforward controls, while the DRONEEYE F10 is also praised for its ease of use, but has had some issues with syncing and responsiveness. Let's talk fun factors. The SYMA drone has smart app control with a flight path mode. Draw a route on your app and it'll follow along like a well-trained puppy. The DRONEEYE F10 can do 360 degrees flips, high-speed rotations, and even has VR support. Reviewers appreciate the SYMA drone's smart features and ease of flying, while the DRONEEYE F10 is celebrated for its fun features like flips and VR support, although some users experienced issues with the app. Reviewers generally praise the SYMA drone for its ease of use, stable camera quality, and decent battery life, making it a great option for both beginners and advanced users. On the other hand, the DRONEEYE F10 is appreciated for its affordability, fun features, and impressive battery life. But it has received mixed reviews regarding camera quality and reliability. So which drone should you go for? If you're looking for longer flight times and a bit more stability, SYMA might be your go-to. But if you want to save some bucks and have a ton of fun features, the DRONEEYE F10 is a solid pick. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our smart buying tips. Drop a comment below and let us know which drone you'd pick. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.